So continuing on with me trying to make plastic gears. Last time I left the Play-Doh in the containers and the plastic gear was created, but it's more like a rubber. It's not as hard as a plastic gear should be. So this time I'm gonna keep it out of the container so the epoxy dries better. I cleaned up the plastic gear with my Dremel. The side missing the teeth is the side that I screwed up on, and so I should be able to make an impression in the Play-Doh with this, and so we'll see how it goes. And of course I got the aluminum shavings already in my container to mix with the epoxy, and so we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you posted. Wish me luck, and God bless.